Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I would like to show the two winners of the poll of the paintings I have asked all y'all to vote for me to work on in June. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. So the two paintings that won unanimously, the voting was just the rest of the paintings had no chance. So the two paintings that won were Lucky Manekineko, I always mispronounce that, sorry, and Cotton Candy Princess. I had a feeling in my heart of hearts these were gonna win because they're really vibrant, really bright. The colors are just beautiful, and I love cats, so as I had a feeling, yeah, I can see the nice cute kitty winning. And yeah, I'm so excited to work on these. And the other three paintings that unfortunately weren't selected, I'm actually going to keep them kind of on standby because I'm thinking to see how this works out for the month of June. These paintings, since they are a little bigger and they are more colors, it will take me a month or two to finish them. So unfortunately, I am not that fast, but luckily they're rounds. So, and I'm a little bit faster on those. The rest of the other three paintings, I'll put them again for another vote, and I'll introduce two more paintings to kind of, I'm not sure if it's an idea I'll have by the end of the year, but at the end of the year, I do have some ideas for different kind of choices for paintings that I have, that I might be interested in doing, or I might ask someone else to vote for. I have several ideas. I just haven't cleared out the final details yet. But those three paintings, do not worry, they will make a return. I just have to get as I said, the details and all that figured out. So for Manekineko, I'm going to keep mispronouncing that, I'm sorry. This one has 60 colors, and I'm just going to show this again. And it's, oh, my apologies, 57 colors. I don't know why I said 60. I think I read 60, but I believe it was a different painting. And it's a large number of colors, and I am really excited to kit this up. The issue I was having is what kind of storage I was going to use, because I have large storage. I have 120 bottle storage, and I kind of don't want to use 120 for painting. It's only 57. So I'm actually looking into seeing if I should purchase a storage that's around the 60 bottle. I believe I might have one, but I would have to double check since I've been packing everything for my move. I need to just double check to clear. Ooh, maybe I might have more than one. I believe I might have two, but I'm not too sure. And I would just have to check for this one. So when I kit it up, I know I'm not carrying the large suitcase. I have one that's kind of mid-size, and I don't have to worry about it. Excuse me. And for the Cotton Candy Princess, this one is only 35, so it's a smaller painting for me to kit up. But I do know that there are, as you can see with this purple, there are several that they're more than one pack. So again, I'd have to see which storage to use. I do not want to use the Elizabeth Ward with these paintings because currently all of mine are packed up. Second of all, I kind of want to see if the suitcases for me are a little easier to move around, because usually I don't stay in one room when I'm working, especially big paintings. I'll move to, oh, maybe I want to go watch TV, or oh, maybe I want to go to the dining room and get on the, get a more flat surface and all of that. And so for me, the suitcases are really easier to carry around and easier for me to pack in little toolkits that I make of the pen and all my tools from when I want to paint. So I'm thinking of that one. And I think I might have one that is around 40, I believe. I need to double check. As I said, I have a lot of my storage packed up, so I just have to research it a bit. And for both of them, they are going to be separate videos. I'm going to do kit up videos of separate ones. Sorry. Sorry about that. I'm going to do each painting an individual kit up video. I have no idea why I worded it like that. And I'll make sure to put that in the following weeks. June 1st, I was originally going to start painting these paintings, but since I decided to do two events that start June 1st, I'm gonna start with those first, and the first week after June 1st, I believe would be the 3rd, I believe, which would be the following Monday, I'll make sure to kind of do a short of me starting the paintings of, I'm gonna start with both. And with both, I'm just gonna do a small section, and if I see, ooh, I'm a little faster with Manekineko, I'll move a little bit more ahead on this one and just back off a bit. I just have to figure out timing on, you know, switching back and forth on the paintings. And usually what I do, and I've said before, how when I have a large painting, I always kit up kind of a smaller one or a side one. That's how I'm going to treat these two. So whenever I feel, oh, I am so tired of looking at, I don't know, this purple color here, let me switch over to the princess. Oh, look at that, she has a lot of pink and teal, let me focus on that. It's pretty much, that's just me, and I know some other diamond painters do it as well. You start getting frustrated, especially if you're, you know, stay on one kit for who knows how many hours. So that's why I decided to do two for this, so I could be switching back and forth and not have to get worried about getting frustrated or bored. I just wanted to clear that up to see, why did she pick two? That's why I picked two. And as I said, I'll make sure to put a video for the kit ups for these and for when I start. And I'm not too sure if I'm going to keep both of these have perforated plastic on the covers, so I'm not too sure if I'm going to keep using that or I'm going to put release squares on them, because I've been finding out I really enjoy using release paper. It's just so much easier just to pull it, finish a section and pull the next one. To me, it's so much easier. And since I have the squares, I have the diamondartclub paper, the release paper, they're like perfectly square, so it's real easy to line up. So I don't have sections that are kind of wavy a bit because I can't cut straight. But you'll see when I show the paintings what I decided to do. So, but yeah, I am so excited. And I really thank everyone who voted and anyone who pretty much saw the videos of when I first started presenting these. I really appreciate it, and to me it makes me feel we're getting a little bit more like a community. I love that people voted, and I love that people upvoted the poll as well. Gives me inspiration to kind of move forward with more of these kind of ideas, and I don't know, I just really do appreciate it. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. And it really helps out the channel as well for everyone. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.